How to make a Parler account. So hey guys, this video I'll be teaching how to make a Parler account. So how to make a Parler account, all you need to do is open up our Parler account right here. So we have a few choices. We either sign in if you already have an account, or create an account right there as you see in the middle, create account, or continue as guest if you want. But right now click on create account right there. After pressing on create account right here, you see create with email or continue with phone. So right now we're gonna click on continue with email right there. Then we're gonna put in our email, then send verification. After doing that, we just have to wait for a few minutes. So there, as you can see, sign in with Google aborted. So for some reason it's bugging, it said aborted. So now we're gonna continue with phone. So we're gonna go with phone number. Oh no, so I only have a few number, but yeah, there you go. That's the main concept of it. Just go right there, then continue, then add your email or phone number. Let me try to do this, send verification. Okay, let me try it again. Might work or might not, I don't know, maybe aborted. Oh my gosh. So yeah, there you go, just do that. But as of now, we're just gonna continue as guess because for some reason it doesn't work. But yeah, there you guys. So you do this, so you can, so you make an account here on Parler. Then you just have to enter name, then add a few stuff, and then you're done. So there, I hope you guys do. If you enjoyed, if you have questions, concerns, tell the question below, guys. Have it answered as soon as possible here on how to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.